if you want to try, then we will post the link in the description. Ay, gusulti, makagod! Hindi!
Sure, V.
Ay! Di matinisip. And, woo! We have the... It's been a while since I post a vlog. So, ngayon, pag-isipan na namin ng aking mga kapatid na mag-vlog. And what we're going to do today is unboxing. So, dahil fan ako ng BTS, so, napag-isipan namin na mag-order kami online sa Shopee ng isang mystery box. So, we'll try a mystery box to open. I want to try din sa mga gagawin ko ngayon. So, I will post the link of Shopee and the shop na pupuntahan ninyo to order sa Shopee. Okay? So, today we will have the unboxing. Let's start! We have the scissor and the J&T. So, this is not sponsored, ha? I'm just being, promoting Shopee, char. Let's try na! Excited ako. Tadaan! Shhh! Ano kaya naman ito? So, I ordered separate product, which is the Uno cards. Kasi na kami, since ECQ, MGCQ na ngayon. So, we will play Uno cards ng BTS. Wait. Open talaga na. Let's see anong laman. Wow! Alam wow! Two! Dalawa Uno cards! Amazing! 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 Oh, no! Oh. Sorry, dili ko too much, dapat dili ko too much na funded kasi mabuang eh. So that's the inner parts. Oh my God! Next, let's open the mystery box. Ano kaya laman ng mystery box? Box niya, box. Let's see. This, actually, this box, gitry na dyan na ako siya. I just tried it. Mga 199 box. So, first, woo! First, Jimmy! Actually, sa likod, na yung mga gaanong mga Jimmy! Next, tadaan! Tata. Yan. Tanan! B!
Sure, V.
Ay! Di matinisip, busy. Jin man di, sorry na. Ban ko na ko fan. Next, keychain ni Jimmy. Next, another keychain. Hindi na tanan. Nice kayo. And, tadan! Sticker. Sticker nila. So, if I have a notebook or unsa, ipambutangin naman siya. Next! Oh my God, cute. Oh, cute. So, this is all we need today sa new normal. Mag-mask kasi gadjugti namin. So, mag-mask namin. Cookies. OA match me. Next, si Jungkook. Ang tawagan eh? Photocard. Another is J-Hope. Next. Oh, loves. Sirap nun. Oh, Namjoon. Next, Jimin. Next, Namjoon again. Next, wow, J-Hope. Oh, si J-Hope. Si Mang. Next, last but not the least, Suga. Stamp, postcard. So that's it. We have pila ka book sa 199. I think dili siya worth it ra siya. I think we have the Uno cards. Ay wala ilabot ang Uno cards sa 199. So we have the kanang anklet, we have the headband. Woo! We have the 1, 2, 3, 4 photo card. We have bookmark. No, ako yung favorite ang bookmark. Okay, kuan ko. Next, we have the postcard ni Yonggi. And we have the pin kay Jin. We have the keychain nga Jimin. And another keychain nga sila tanan. We have photo stickers. And then we have the mask. And the ball pen. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items sa atong mystery box. So, that's it. Bye!